Una, good afternoon. Oh, good afternoon. It's me again. Oh, today na today. Una say I tell una say if they send me evidence of wetin I talk here, na me, Mama Gladys, go still come back, come talk am as I take talk am before, rebuke am say, see, I see the evidence of which na me I go still bring the evidence for una, make una see. The boy when they do just 30 minutes ago say they spread the coronavirus they go because he has maybe the driver wey carry that Italian man wey carry coronavirus go Nigeria. I see the video now of which I'm going to play the video for una. Make una see am by una self. This boy is our Edo brother. He's not from Ogun State, not to talk of Lagos State. The boy is in Benin City now as we are talking. He don't come and cried out. Okay, as usual, before I start, please, if this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and press the notification button so that anytime we be on board, you go hear and ground, Mama Gladys is on board. Or anytime we upload any video, you will be among the first persons to be notified. Believe me, at 3 o'clock this night, they send me this boy picture, more than 10 people. As we dey talk so, some are sending me the real video of the boy now when the boy talk say he be innocent. Why as some are still sending me the fake news that he is the one, the driver has run? When will somebody just fake? Oh my God. Please share this video. Let us help this our brother. Let us help him. Share this video. As we share, as I share the fake news, I know say there's nothing something good not go faster like something bad. The way where this video, the of this boy take came around internet, they say no blogger will never carry him. Even there for this thing. For ITV, I be which they say no news where they no carry am. I beg make we help this our brother. More weapon out of this one. The boy he goes he's still streaming, you know. He's still just make baby and so out of 180 million people in Nigeria, they don't see video, can't show. They can't talk say that this boy video. They won't come show to that this boy picture. They won't come show to the woman. I mean, I hear
that white man from Italy to Ogun State that has coronavirus. I want to let the public know today that it's not me. I am from Edo State. My name is Ikwenobe Jude. I have not been to Lagos for the past 2 years. I was with my family yesterday when I find out that there's a news going viral in social media, and that I am the one, you know, my enemy is the one who contacted that virus, but not me. I've been in Benin and I've not been to Lagos for the past 2 years. Please, I need the public to also help me to spread this video, that news that the AIT and the other blog posted online is a fake news. I am in Benin presently now. I am from Esaland. My name is Ikwenobe Jude. I have not been to Lagos for the past 2 years. Thank you.
Please, oh, please, I beg. Believe me, I wanted to go to market. I told us our market they close 2 o'clock. Our market they close 2 o'clock. Just 10 minutes ago now I received this news. I must bring it out. Who know whether this boy won't save my life? Who know whether this boy is saving my life now? Not to go to market today. Because you know the coronavirus will get another letter for a head. So I'm saving this boy's life in the sense that from this bad news where they be put in picture. Because basically when I put this picture, as I write this fake news, it's just like writing RIP for person. Because this is a deadly disease of which we don't have to play with. Okay? So this boy, I think, I want to believe that God make me to see this video now. Do this video this morning, see this video now to rebuke, and I don't already delete that video. It's already been delayed. Thank you. Many people have shared it. Before I deleted, it was almost 1,000 viewers. You understand? And they told us, I'm not after viewers. I'm not here to bring down anybody. But if you come for me, I'm sorry, I will tell you that is me. I will give you to eat and taste the kind of soup you give me to eat, so that you will taste it. That is why if you come after me, I know they forgive you. I send it back to you immediately. So make we eat them together. Make you know the taste. So this boy, I believe, for not going to market, I'm not going to market anymore. The market don't close. Maybe save me, make my enemy not go contact, because you don't know who have it. You don't know it's coming from Milan. I said it's 15 kilometers from my house. They isolate a whole community of more than almost 1,000 people. Nobody go into that community, nobody come out. So please help me to share this video. Share this video like this. Screenshot if you don't feel share them. Screenshot them as I write this fake news. Share them for the OBNI, for all WhatsApp as I talking before. Please, let us help this our brother. And as I come listening well to the what the other brother right before, he said this boy was a victim of a trafficking. He was not the one that was trafficking. He was a victim in Libya. That's why the picture was on internet since 2 years. Please don't let this. Let's help this our brother, for him not to remember again what happened to him in Libya. Please, let's help him. And we can help him by sharing it. It's a fake news. It's a fake news, my people. It's a fake news, so let's help by sharing it. And for me not going to market now, I don't know the reason. They say God no dey come from every email. God no dey come from heaven. God save us. Now man is a sent to us. Okay? So for me not going to market again now, I think there must be a reason for me to do this video this morning, of which coming back now to say this our brother is innocent of what?
State that has coronavirus. I want to let the public know today that it's not me. I am from Edo State. My name is Ikwenobe Jude. I have not been to Lagos for the past 2 years. I was with my family yesterday when I find out that there's a news going viral in social media, and that I am the one, my enemy is the one who contacted that virus, but not me. I've been in Benin and I've not been to Lagos for the past 2 years. Please, I need the public to also help me to spread this video, that news that the AIT and the other blog posted online is a fake news. I am in Benin presently now. I am from Esaland. My name is Ikwenobe Jude. I have not been to Lagos for the past 2 years. Thank you.
Please, my people, share it to your WhatsApp, to your Messenger, to your Facebook, to your Instagram. Let's help this our brother. Let's help him. We'll send it to African German First Lady now. Any blogger, if you need, you can carry this video here. Carry the video. Carry am. Me, I not even the right name for inside my video. Make una carry am. All YouTubers, the ones who have humanity mind to help. Please carry this boy video. Let us share it. This boy has suffered 2 years ago in Libya as I heard, as a right hand. But now again, look at his face. Look how can they go fabricate this kind of thing for human being head? Chinedu Joshua. Yes, before almost 1 hour ago, I came and they sent me this news with this boy face saying I be the driver when he carried the Italian man from Lagos to Ogun State. You understand me? As a diagnosed Italian man for coronavirus, they put her for hospital. Then they come find and say the guy gets the coronavirus and says he don't get contact with the Italian man. As they can rush hospital now, they still say they're positive. Before they come out now, they say the guy run. And this is not the guy. We don't even know whether that can't even happen even for Ogun State. Now say that they look for the driver. We don't even know. And the name when they even call the driver now, they said the man whose picture appeared below is Adewale Isaac Oloroku. But this boy is a Edo State boy. He's from Ishaland. His name is Jude. It's very different. And even let me read the news very well. Oh my God. The name wey they even call is different from the person wey they say they run now. Make una lis ten. Breaking news. Because it's a fake news now. He said the man whose picture appeared, Adewale Isaac Olorunku, is said to be the taxi driver that conveyed the white man to the company in Ogun State that has been quarantined. After much plea by the Ogun State government, he finally got to the hospital and was tested positive of the virus. But before they could say Jack Robinson, okay, excuse me, is this not? Oh my God! It's just that we are so quick of carrying news, of which because of what is happening, we don't even choose to read it well. This is the first time it happened to me. I've never come out and do a video say no, it's a fake news. Never. After for the past how many years I've been doing my live video on Facebook, being here, quote me wrong if you ask, okay, it's a fake news or this one, you not go pass one out of thousands of videos that I've done. After all my millions of views, okay? Look at the name they said now. I said after much, okay, he said the doctor now come and say, before they could say Jack Robinson. Who come be Jack Robinson when they thought say the guy is Adewale Asikolu Olurogun. So you see the right up here, you don't even get where he go. The right up here, you don't even get where he go, my people. Huh? Why coronavirus? Oh my God. People wey get coronavirus now, they go even survive more than people wey no get am because of the panic wey some people go just put outside now to dey give people. And make I no let the video too long so that our Nigerian people wey get small data they go fit still watch am. Please, my people, thank you once again. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for being always me. You should sue AIT News. Kakabo if you want to do. You understand me? Not that country if you sue them, not be big men they win. Just say make you just go meet them. Make them still share them for their word. Say it's a fake news. So let me stop from here. Thank you once again, my people. For the ones that have already subscribed, God will bless you. For the ones that will subscribe today, God will continue to bless you. For the ones that will subscribe after seeing this, God will bless you among us, all of us together. So, my people, one love keep us together. Let me see if I can make a video for the cookie channel. If not, join me this evening by 9 o'clock. There's one of our Nigerian sisters, Yoruba. Italians want to collect her 2 children, or she will leave the country and go back to Nigeria. So she needs our help and our advice. So by 9 o'clock, don't fail, be with me. One love keep us together. Washa, bye bye. Please share this video. Let us help this our brother from from this nightmare. He just wake up yesterday morning. I been up so he talk. See say he pictured everywhere. May God help us. So may God help us. Okay now. Bye bye. Ciao.